Why don't you simply clone a website instead of struggling to build one? If you're not a tech person and you are trying to build a website using artificial intelligence, sometimes it can get messy and you end up spending so much time with an unsatisfied website. And what about if I tell you you can just clone just one website? I mean, as many as you want, but you can clone any website. I'm going to show you to you today using the optilink AI command center. With the optilink AI command center, we have so many tools that you can take advantage of to start making money online right on the go. But today's video is about creating a website. There are so many features here to get leads, to start automatic SEO and AI ads manager, email marketing, email outreach, content, smart lead, CRM, auto social media, YouTube, keyword research, link building. The options are so many. But today's video is about website and cloning websites. So here on the dashboard, you see down here we have clone a website. On the left side, we also see here we have website and clone a website. So let me just click one and go to the clone a website. So now here we have paste the URL. So which website do I want to clone? I don't even have an idea, but let me just start anything. Let's say SEO.com. I'm not affiliated with them. I have nothing about them. I mean, I'm just using them for these tutorials. So now it's capturing. What is going to happen is the tool is going to browse SEO.com, make a screenshot of the entire website, get the HTML and the JSON file of the website. I mean, everything for you. So you can clone this website and it can be your website within few minutes. Any website, every website, it doesn't matter how beautiful the website is, you can clone it in just a minute using the optilink AI command center. We just have to wait for a little bit. Okay, so now here is the website. We have the complete website of SEO.com. Let me scroll down. Take a look. This is how the website looks like. Everything of the website exactly as it is. Look, this is the website for SEO.com. This is the complete website. Okay, so now how can we clone this website? How can we clone this website? We want this website to be our website. We want to create a website like this, or it can be any other website. All you have to do is just put the URL or the domain name and click capture site. That is all. Now we have the complete website. You can see everything here. It says number one SEO company, SEO.com, the authority for all things SEO. That is their title, and their description is showing you everything. And the next step, I'm going to make this video a little bit fast. The next step to do is just we can exact clone one-to-one copy of this website and we can rebuild this. But one important beautiful feature that I can show you, let's say you want to clone this website to be your own website. You already have your website, or you want to do it for a client as a freelancer or whatever, you want to sell it. Here inside the URL, I can put the domain of different websites. So the tool or the software is going to copy their content and give me exact version of this website, but with different content. Or if I choose, I can say exact clone. So I'm going to go with the exact clone. All I have to do is click on it, and now it says cloning. So what happened is that I'm going to get exact editable copy of this website. You get that right? It's going to give me exact copy, but editable copy of this website. So I can edit it exactly how I want it. I hope it's clear. I can edit it exactly how I want it. So now here they have their website title as the SEO company for brand visibility and revenue growth. I can change it to whatever I want. Now it is done. Let me take this to the top. Now let's scroll down. Now we have our website. Look, the down here is the clone of it. Exactly clone of this website, but it's editable. Okay, editable. I hope you understand what I mean. All right, so here we have, now what we have to do is we are going to take this into the editor. By taking this into the editor, we can edit this website exactly how we want it and use it for ourselves. So here I'm going to click edit in studio. Here we also have go live. The go live means once I click go live, I'm going to have a URL that host this website, and this URL, everybody can access this URL. It's not like other sites like Go High Level or whatever it is that you need to invite your client on a video call and show them the website. No, here you have live URL that you can have the website on it, and everybody can call this URL to see it. But now let's go into the editor. I'll click on edit in studio. It's going to open it inside the studio, the editor. In a few minutes we're gonna have our editor. Okay, so now we have our editor. So inside this editor, now this is our website. Okay, this is now ours. We have it, we own it, we have we have everything of it. So if I want to change it, all I have to do is I'm just gonna click on it. Click at the top left, we have text. If I click on the text, now look something. Now I can edit this and make it whatever I want. So here you see, I can see the SEO expert. Okay, for brand visibility. I'll just leave it like this. This is for our testing. So here it says the SEO expert for brand visibility. Or if I want, maybe let's say the web design freelancer. The web design freelancer for brand visibility. It doesn't matter. I'm just showing you. You can play with it. You can change it. And now this is your website. This is now your website. Let me go to preview in new tab. Look at it. The web design freelancer for brand visibility. This is now my website. Now back to the editor. Now here we go to asset. Inside the asset, you see all the images that are inside this website. Now I can replace all the images and put my image that I want. So let's say example, if I click on replace here, upload. So I click here. Now I can upload my image that I want. Okay, so let's say I'll just put one of my image and click on upload. So that is, you can see my image is here. If I click set, it's going to be inside. So this is how you can easily clone. This is one-to-one cloning. This is not like, this is 100% clone. So if I want to, let's say I want to edit this text here, I click on AI edit and say give me a nice description for my web design. I have to change my tab here. It's right now it's on English, so I have to make it German. Okay, description for my web design section. Let me say something like this: apply changes. So I don't have to type it myself. I can type it myself, but if I want to be fast and I want the AI to type it for me, so I just click the AI edit and the AI is going to do that for me. So this is how I can follow through to finish this page, and once the page is finished, I can download this page as my own page and upload it inside WordPress or Elementor, and I have fully complete website ready to sell. So I don't spend so much time with AI going up and down trying to craft or build high quality landing page if I can simply clone other people's landing page. So I just have to go online, find a nice, beautiful website or landing page, take the URL, come to optilink AI Command Center, the desktop application. I'm using desktop application from optilink AI Command Center. And then just put in the URL. I will have 100% one-to-one clone of this website. And then it's mine. That is all. This is how simple it is to clone a website. So stop trying to build high quality converting charming website when you can easily clone one. Find a beautiful website online, just clone it. That is it, and you are done. And before this finishes is thinking, I think we have to disable this thinking, because this thinking is just killing tokens and doesn't help in taking so much time. All right, so just hold a minute. Let me open the background and see if we can kill this thinking. We don't need this thinking. Okay, let me see. While this is loading, I'll do this later. Okay, let me see. Yeah, I'm gonna do this later because the thinking is, let me just close this. I don't have the time. All right, so you have the idea, and then this is how you can follow and finish everything. And once you are done, I can click go live. By clicking go live, I will have my personal URL assigned to me where I can access the landing page that I just cloned and I mean customize and edit. And I can also publish this to my WordPress website directly from here. And I can export this into Elementor to have JSON Elementor file. So I can go to Elementor, go to template and upload template and just upload the file. And once it's uploaded, that's it. You have your file. So this is just one feature that I wanted to share with you, how to clone a website using AI Command Center. The website is going to be available very soon for everybody to download this desktop application. So just comment below if you are interested, subscribe so you don't miss it, you don't miss out when I make this available in to public. Thank you for watching.